Today we will see the program 1 of Unit 1. In this program we need to create one new website. So for that, open Visual Studio, go to the File menu bar, click on New, select Website. Select Visual C# as language and click on Empty Website. You can browse the location where you want to save the file and then click on OK. As per program, create a form which take username in TextBox control. So for that, we need to create one new web form. Go to the Solution Explorer, right click on the root, click on Add New Item, select Visual C# as language and click on Web Form. You can change the name of the web form as I have changed here as U1 P1. Always make sure that this checkbox is marked checked, place code in separate file and then click on Add. Now, to take username from the user, we need to create one design. So for that, I am going to place one label here. Go to the properties of the label. Change the text attributes of the label as enter username. Add one text box here so that user can enter their name. You can change it ID too, but I am not going to change here as for now. Place one button. Again change the text attribute of the button as submit so that user can submit the name. Now as per the program, on the click event of the button, name of the user and current date and time will be displayed on the title bar of the web page using literal controls. So for that, we need to place one literal control here from the toolbox. Go to the source code. You can see the code of the literal control. Just cut it from here and place it between the title tag so it can appear in the title bar. Now on the click event. So we need the click event of the button. It means .cs file. So for that, double click on the button, or you can also right click on the u1p1.aspx file and click on view code. It will appear in .cs file. So in the button 1 click event, write the following code as literal 1. It is the ID of our literal control. And we need the text box content. So just place here text box 1 ID. And we need the date and time. So we will write as system date and time. It will return current date and time of the system. Now you can see the output. I am going to write hello as username. You can see username with current date and time is displayed in the title bar. Now as per the last requirement of our program, also show the use of CSS property to change the text color of the button control using internal and external CSS. So for that, we need to create one internal and one external CSS. First of all, stop debugging. Go to the source. Here we will create one internal style sheet. Here I am going to make one CSS class as D1. Going to use CSS property as color. We have created one internal style sheet. Now we need to connect this with our button. So for that, go to the .cs file. Inside the page load event, write the following code as button ID .css class. You can also set this CSS class from properties. Now we need to create one new external style sheet. Go to the Solution Explorer, right click on the root, add new item. This time we will add item as style sheet. Here we need to create one more CSS class as D2. Now we need to connect this style sheet with our source code. So for that, go to the head part, Drag this external style sheet here. It will connect automatically. Now go to the .cs file. Inside the button 1 click event.
Now connect again button 1 with new CSS class SD2.
Now you can debug the program and check the output.
You can see the color of the text on the button is blue. Now after entering username and clicking on button, it is changed as yellow.
So it was the first program of Unit 1. Thank you.